Looking good is feeling good. People say that change takes time, and it's true. However, in this video, I'll tell you how you can glow up as soon as possible and look your very best. Let's begin. Before we jump into it, we have to start with a crucial thing. Step 0. Mindset. A healthy mindset is very important. No matter how much you build yourself up on the outside, your insides will easily tear you down if you don't have the right mindset. Confidence is key. Keep in mind that you don't have to be better than everyone else, but yourself. Every single day, try new things and try to be good at them. Success builds confidence. Cut out toxic people because they're just a waste of energy. You have to wake up every day as a new day to be better. Such confidence instantly makes you 5 times more attractive. Now that you have the right mindset, let's see how to looks max. Step 1. Skincare. To get a glowing skin, you have to follow a proper skincare routine. First of all, you need to know your skin type and get the right products for your skin. Cleanse your face twice daily in the morning and before bedtime to remove dirt. Hydrate your skin with a suitable moisturizer and use sunscreen daily, even on cloudy days. That's it. If your lips look like this, I'll give you a game changer solution. Mix sugar with honey and scrub it on your lips, then dry and add some moisturizer. They will look smooth. If you stay consistent, hydrating enough and paying attention to your health, you'll have glowing skin within weeks. Step 2. Hair and facial hair. Caring for your hair and facial hair is essential for maintaining a healthy appearance. Let your hair grow and find a hairstyle that suits you. Make sure to trim it every 2 weeks to have that fresh and nice look. It is important not to wash your hair with shampoo every day. Use conditioner instead. Wash only once a week with shampoo. Use hair products and learn how to style your hair. Keep it healthy and well styled. Another essential is facial hair. People say that a beard is a man's makeup. If you can grow a beard, I recommend it. Keep it well groomed. It makes you more attractive and mysterious, which is what most women like. If you don't have a beard, make sure to shave every 2 days to keep your face clean. And don't let your face look uncared. Pay attention to your eyebrows. Keep it clean between your 2 eyebrows and outside too. If you have hair here, pause this video, pick a razor, shave it and come back. It will take you 1 minute to boost your appearance. Step 3. Workout and diet. When I first started lifting, I was confused and I trained what I felt like doing. And what happened? It made me less gains. So you need to follow a workout plan. You can find pretty good workout programs here. Just search for it. I have a game changer advice. Train the attractive muscle groups. There are 6 of them which are crucial to have a well-built body. These are the neck, lateral delts, upper chest, upper traps, lats and abs. Focus on them. You also need to follow a proper diet. Eat healthy and keep a low body fat. Change this to this. And this to this. I can hear the excuses running in your head right now. If you have these thoughts, slap yourself in the face. Get up from the empty bag of crisps and do the work. I'm gonna tell you something that you need to hear. No one is going to save you. You have to want it because no one is giving a shit about your life anyway. That's the harsh truth. Stick to your plan and climb these mountains. I'm here to help. Step 4. Clothing. Good dressing makes a huge difference on your appearance. Try to use styles that you like, whether it's elegant, sporty, casual. But always dress appropriately. Don't go on a date in your workout clothes. Try to dress in colors that are easy to match, like black, white, navy blue, and brown. But don't use colors like bright green, pink, and orange. Step 5. Smell good. Smell can be so memorable. Your brain literally processes it as an emotion and a memory. This means that if you smell good, you can trigger positive emotions and memories on people around you. It is very powerful. Do the basics. Shower every day and wash your clothes regularly. Make sure the space around you also smells good. Imagine your girl comes over and the first thing she smells is dog shit. That's an ick. Wear deodorant and use fine perfumes on yourself. It is best to have perfumes for every occasion. Have one for everyday use, another for night outs, and even for dates. If you only use one, it's no problem. The main thing is that you always smell good. To be the best version of yourself, I recommend you a few habits which are not noticeable to others, but they can help you a lot to achieve your goals. That's what I call private success. Journaling. Journaling is actually the best way to clear your mind. When was the last time you just sat down and brainstormed? Take a piece of paper and write down your goals, your problems, and what you're grateful for. Reading. Reading reduces stress and it's the best way to change your mindset. I recommend reading a book from which you can learn a lot and find interesting. If you like this video and are interested in how to be the best version of yourself, please click subscribe and hit the like button. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section below. See you soon!